How to write a research proposal, a step-by-step guide. Overview. Briefly introduce the topic, explaining the importance of a well-crafted research proposal in securing funding, approvals, and guiding your research. Target audience. Mention that the video is aimed at students, early career researchers, and anyone looking to refine their proposal writing skills. Step 1. Understanding the purpose of a research proposal. Define the purpose. Explain why research proposals are necessary, including their role in outlining the research problem, objectives, and methodology. Types of proposals. Discuss different types of proposals, e.g., academic, grant, thesis, and how the requirements might vary. Step 2. Choosing a research topic. Identifying a gap. Talk about the importance of choosing a topic that fills a gap in existing research. Relevance and feasibility. Emphasize selecting a topic that is both relevant to your field and feasible given your resources and time constraints. Example. Provide an example of how you chose a topic for one of your research projects. Step 3. Conducting a literature review. Purpose. Explain that a literature review helps you understand the current state of research and identify gaps or unanswered questions. How to conduct. Offer tips on how to find relevant literature, organize sources, and summarize key findings. Common pitfalls. Warn against common mistakes, such as relying on outdated sources or failing to critically analyze the literature. Step 4. Defining research questions and hypotheses. Formulating questions. Guide viewers on how to develop clear and concise research questions or hypotheses. Alignment. Explain the importance of aligning these questions with your research objectives and methodology. Step 5. Outlining the research methodology. Choosing methods. Discuss how to select appropriate research methods, qualitative, quantitative, mixed methods, based on your research questions. Detailing procedures. Describe how to detail your data collection and analysis procedures in the proposal. Ethical considerations. Highlight the need to address ethical issues, such as informed consent and confidentiality. Step 6. Structuring the proposal. Standard sections. Walk through the standard sections of a research proposal, including research questions, hypotheses. Budget, if applicable. Tips for clarity. Offer tips on how to structure the content clearly and logically. Step 7. Reviewing and refining the proposal. Revisions. Encourage multiple drafts and peer reviews to refine the proposal. Feedback. Suggest seeking feedback from advisors or colleagues before final submission. Common mistakes. Discuss common mistakes, such as being too vague or not aligning the methodology with the research questions. Final tips. Summarize key points and offer final tips, such as keeping the proposal concise and focusing on clarity. Encouragement. Encourage viewers to approach proposal writing as a manageable and rewarding process. Call to action. Invite viewers to ask questions in the comments, subscribe for more content, and share the video with others who might benefit from it. This structure will help ensure your video is comprehensive, informative, and easy for viewers to follow.